In today's video, we're tackling a common issue many WhatsApp users face: getting the message this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. If you've been hit by this, don't worry, we've got you covered with some effective solutions to get your account back up and running. So let's dive right in. First off, uninstall your WhatsApp and then reinstall it. Go to Play Store, search in WhatsApp and install it. WhatsApp is very strict about its usage policy to protect its users from spam and abuse. If you're sending too many messages to people not in your contacts, or if multiple users report you, WhatsApp might block your account. So what you can do is appeal to WhatsApp. Go to your preferred browser, then type in whatsapp.com. Scroll down until you find Contact Us. Then tap in WhatsApp Messenger support. After doing so, the next step is to fill the form. Enter everything that it asks, for example, email ID, your phone number, and all. And also appeal to the WhatsApp team. So here you can see I've written, hello, my WhatsApp has been banned or not allowed from WhatsApp by mistake. Please kindly fix it. Thank you. And then click on next step. Then tap on send question. Be patient and try again. If your appeal is successful, WhatsApp will reactivate your account. Sometimes it might just be a temporary ban, so wait a few days and try logging in again. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.